Hello everyone, welcome to all the Dark fans to our channel. The trailer has been dropped for the much awaited, critically acclaimed, award winning German Netflix series Dark. So without further ado, let's begin with the breakdown of the trailer. The trailer begins with the last scene from season 2 finale, wherein Martha comes from another world and saves young Jonas from the apocalypse. With the series entering into season 3, this opened up a whole new perspective to the entire time travel saga. Now the other world Martha speaks to Jonas about helping him find the origin to all of this, the beginning of everything, which has supposedly formed an intertwining of both the worlds. During this scene, we are briefly shown the name of a certain Hanno Tauber, possibly a new character as we assume, on a graphical linkage which supposedly looks like a family tree where everything is narrowed down to an infinity sign, or as they call it, the knot, meaning the origin of both the worlds. Hanno Tauber, by the looks of it, seems to be Agnes's sibling. This might possibly be the original name of Noah we all are looking at. Cut to the scene, we have young Jonas and Martha waking up from their dream, denoting the beginning of everything. Just before this, as Martha narrates, we are shown an aerial shot of a retro world followed by a shot of an apocalyptic world, denoting the beginning of everything and ending of this loop. In the next scene, we hear an old woman's voice, possibly Eve, saying everything repeats itself as none of us are ready to let go. This major dialogue puts an emphasis on the emotional angle of this whole time travel thing. This can be simply put as, the people's selfish motives for their families has led to all this and thus it repeats. Next we see that young Jonas is still clueless and seeks for truth as to why he has been brought to this other world. A montage of scenes shows the quest of Martha and Jonas searching for the origin, during which a series of dialogues denote that the world without Jonas, as he always wanted, might be the only solution to all this. Also we hear, Jonas had promised Martha to make things right. This entire emotional curve to the storyline amidst the chaos is what makes this series a complete series. Coming back to the trailer, we see a scene of Martha and Jonas coming out of a cave, which possibly could be the beginning of where it all started. Jonas is also seen confronting Adam, where he is told by the latter that they cannot escape their fates. Jonas is searching for answers and also about his role in this whole disarray of events wherein he is desperately trying to set things right. A scene of apocalypse in action is shown as Adam says, "It's time," which also might be the point where it is all beginning and ending at the same time. Next, we again hear an old woman's voice, possibly Eve, saying, "I want your journey to come to an end." This may be the one thing we have been looking for, that is the end of Jonas, which is in fact the only way to end this cycle, since he is the root cause and also the solution for this entire chaos. This very well makes sense about their tagline, "The end is the beginning." In the end, we see whom we presume as Eve, that is older Martha, standing with the trio of unknowns who were introduced since the teaser, is seen facing towards the wall where we can see the poster of Adam and Eve. This is followed by an emotionally intimate scene of Martha and Jonas, and then the knot is shown. This montage scene adds weightage and surely strengthens the whole Adam and Eve concept that we have been talking about, which was just a theory made up back when we saw the final scene of season 2. Now, from the various fan theories all pointing towards the Adam and Eve concept, wherein Jonas and Martha being the ancestors of everyone, this knot can be the symbolic representation of young Jonas from the world we know and Martha from another world. So that's it guys. This was our analysis and possible theories from the trailer. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of these theories in the comment section and also let us know yours as well. Peace out.